Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a new fresh vlog. Guys, today is very great day because in my entire life we never had competition with teachers. Right now I'm here in China. If you don't know guys, I'm living in China, Anhui Normal University, Wuhu City. So today is competition of volleyball with our Chinese teacher. So all of them are already in the ground. In a while I will take you there into the ground, but I was just starting the video here. So we're gonna have a lot of great fun, and this is a really great memories. That is why I wanted to keep this memory. And I think the Chinese teacher would be much better in volleyball than us. I'm not good player of volleyball. I played a lot, but I never been good at volleyball. Like I'm a little bit good in cricket. But a lot of people are here today, all our international students and maybe all of our Chinese teachers. So one by one I would maybe introduce you some Chinese teachers and some foreign students as well, and I would share the volleyball competition. So 4 teams, 1 Chinese, 3 international students. So stay with me guys in this beautiful vlog and let's further dive into volleyball match. Let's begin. So right now teacher is giving us some gift because he says the time is getting dark, so then later we will not have time for photos. So he is giving us some gift and we had some photo session, but the game is like friendly, is not any competition, but it was friendly matches, so we played really nice. Yeah!
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so we just came here for the dinner. My friend invited me for dinner. Hello. So we have some more friends from Inner Mongolia. Hello. So all of us are here for dinner. My friend, he invited for us. They all came from Inner Mongolia. So the dinner gonna be really nice, and this place is I think is very famous for hotpot, because look at that in the back of me. A lot of people are here. So I will share some good footage of foods guys, because I haven't been there. It is really near with me, but I haven't been there. So let's have some good food here at Wuhu City. This is beef guys. Wow, it's so tasty guys. Wow, amazing taste. It's very tasty, I really like it.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so I finished the dinner. Right now I'm going back to school. It's just a little bit late, like 9:30 p.m. in the evening. Some shops are still open, but Chinese markets usually close like 10 p.m. Look, it's then some shops are open here. but it was really tasty dinner thanks to my friend and the other guys who are from Mongolia. So they were the friends of my friend, and oh my god, riding bike with one hand in China this time is really dangerous. It's not easy, but guys, I will take a break here and this vlog will be finished here. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you would must like. If you like, please drop the like and subscribe to my channel. Please push the notification bell on there, you would not miss any of my new videos. So until tomorrow, guys, take care of you and your family. Bye bye, love you all, good night and peace.